The 2026 Toyota 6x6 Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution on wheels. Toyota has taken its mastery of durability and reliability and pushed it into uncharted territory, creating a six-wheeled motorhome that blends brute force, futuristic design, and first-class luxury into one unstoppable machine. The exterior is an instant showstopper. At the front, a bold Toyota grille dominates the road, framed by ultra-slim LED headlights that glow like laser beams in the dark. The massive stance is enhanced by 6 enormous all-terrain tires, flared arches, and a high ground clearance that screams capability. The body lines are sharp and purposeful, flowing seamlessly along the extended frame. Roof racks, skid plates, and rugged side panels emphasize its adventurous spirit, while polished chrome and gloss black accents remind you this isn't just about muscle, it's about prestige. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts from rugged to refined. The cabin is designed as a sanctuary for long journeys, blending minimalist Japanese-inspired design with premium materials. Hand-stitched leather wraps the seating, genuine wood accents line the walls, and customizable ambient lighting transforms the space into a moving luxury suite. The lounge is versatile and spacious, with recliner-style seating that folds into beds at the touch of a button. A central dining table doubles as a workspace, while panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light and frame breathtaking views of the outside world. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped, featuring a sleek induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a convection oven, and deep storage compartments designed for adventure. Every element is crafted with efficiency in mind, making cooking on the road seamless and enjoyable. The rear is home to the master suite, where a king-size bed rests beneath soft backlighting. Large windows on either side give the feeling of a luxury hotel room planted in the middle of nature. The ensuite bathroom takes it even further, complete with a rainfall shower, touchless fixtures, and a spa-like design that makes you forget you're in a motorhome. Technology is everywhere. A massive curved OLED display spans the cockpit, providing everything from navigation and terrain data to entertainment and system controls. Toyota's AI co-pilot responds to voice commands, adjusting lighting, climate, or even suggesting scenic routes along your journey. Wi-Fi, wireless charging, and a premium surround sound system ensure the 2026 Toyota 6x6 Motorhome is as connected as any luxury apartment. Beneath the beauty lies raw power. The hybrid twin-turbo V8 paired with electric motors delivers immense torque, making the 6x6 drivetrain unstoppable across deserts, snow, mountains, and muddy trails. Adaptive suspension constantly adjusts to terrain, delivering comfort on highways and control in the wild. Silent EV-only driving mode lets you glide through campgrounds or eco-zones without emissions or noise. Safety is uncompromised, with Toyota's latest driver assist technology, adaptive cruise, terrain scanning radar, blind spot detection, trailer sway control, and a 360-degree drone-assisted camera system that gives you a bird's-eye view of your surroundings. Even with its size and power, driving this beast feels smooth, safe, and intuitive. The 2026 Toyota 6x6 Motorhome is more than transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. It's for adventurers who want to push further, dream bigger, and explore without limits, all while surrounded by the kind of comfort only Toyota could deliver. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a fortress, a luxury lounge, and an exploration machine all rolled into one. With the Toyota 6x6 Motorhome, the road never ends, it only begins where you decide.